you're going to move from one shade to three shades in splits of second. I'm telling you. What if I tell you that Fair and White So White can give you 2 to 3 shades if you use it this way?
Hold me close till I get up.
Amazing people, welcome right back onto my channel. This is Lita here with a very smiley face. Yes, that young mom. Okay, so yeah, in today's video I'm going to be talking to you guys about how you can actually use Fair and White So White to lighten up your skin, because there's this misconception that Fair and White So White does not lighten the skin. Now this is totally something I have tried. This is something I have personally tried and it worked for me. Believe you me, the only variant I've not used of Fair and White is, I think, the carrot one, because of course carrot do not work well for me, but every other one I have tried, and I'm definitely going to tell you how it did on my skin and how you can actually use this particular lotion to lighten up or to achieve 2 to 3 shades. So sit back, relax and enjoy. Okay, and the truth is that if you intend to use Fair and White So White to lighten up the skin, there are do's and don'ts. There are processes you need to follow. Fair and White So White is carefully formulated for women of colors, because of course I would say it has been formulated for women of colors. Fair and White So White is a brand that has been in the market for over the years and it has been delivering. So they have different variants for different skin needs as well as different skin concerns. So if you intend to use it to brighten, lighten and also maintain your skin tone, there are things you need to do. I tell people, in order for you to see a very effective result using a particular product is using the full variant. Fair and White So White comes in different varieties and has their ranges as it comes. When I say range comprises of serum, like body serum, body soap, body cream as well as body oil. That is a full range. It also has the bar soap as well as liquid soap. Now me, I always advise people liquid soap works better and faster than tablet soap, because that tends to kind of dry you out, but it all totally depends on what works for you at this point. What I'm here to do is basically telling you how you can actually use this product to achieve 2 to 3 shades for those who are still in doubt that Fair and White So White cannot do more than 1 shade for maintaining the skin. I think I have tried out the Skin Perfector, the Skin Sweet, the Maxi Tone. I've also tried out the Whitenizer, the one that comes in a blue blue packaging that people have been saying, oh, it's for dark skin. Now the thing is, how you use your product would determine how well the product will work for you, if that makes any sense. Now if you want to use Fair and White So White to lighten up your skin, the first thing you need to follow or you need to know is knowing the variant to go for, because they have, like I said, they have different variants for different skin concerns as well as different skin needs. But I'm going to walk you through the one I have actually used that worked well for me, which is the Skin Perfector. Now Skin Perfector was specially formulated to help rejuvenate the skin, also brighten up the skin, like clear body acne, dark spots and discoloration, like body acne. Basically they have the Skin Perfector and the Skin Sweet, and the both comes in the pink jar. Okay, now the Skin Perfector was formulated, like I said, for just skin rejuvenation, skin brightening, kind of lighten the skin, because it has 1.1% of hydroquinone. The 1.1% in this particular lotion is not harmful to the skin because it helps to clear acne, like dark spots. You see all those stuff or stubborn parts of the body, like your elbow, your ankle, your dark knuckles, dark feet. This is the reason why hydroquinone has been infused into this particular lotion to help clear all of this, because the other ingredients in this lotion are very mild to just gently brighten up your skin and also gently softens your skin. So these ingredients might not be able to actually clear off all those stubborn parts of the skin, which is why hydroquinone has been infused into it. Now the Skin Sweet is just for skin maintenance. Now you can also actually use it to lighten up the skin to your desired skin tone. Now since we're talking about the Skin Perfector, the one I have tried to use to actually lighten up, this is what I did differently. I actually used it with the bar soap as well as the serum. You guys might like the under yellowish skin tone this particular lotion gave me was actually mind blowing. And what I love about it is that at some point, because I was using it with an oil, it kind of smoothen out the surface of my stretch marks, so which is what you want to to incorporate body oils when it comes to skin lightening, because that would serve as an anti-reaction, anti-inflammatory. It will, in fact, it will serve as, a defense mechanism against like reaction. Okay, so which is what you also want to apply. Like, this is the method you want to apply, because if you already have stretch mark ongoing and you are lightening up your skin, there are possibilities that stretch marks might stretch further or become more reddish, which might not be so good. So you want to use body oils to help fade away those places or the stretch mark, the already existing stretch mark. Now, fading is different from clearing. I'm not saying it will clear, it will just help fade away the appearance of stretch marks as well as other skin reaction. I exfoliated my skin twice a week, even though I have sensitive skin. So the scrub you want to settle for is a scrub that is really mild and is sugar based, because sugar based would not irritate your skin as salt based scrubs would. So what you need to do is use sugar based body scrub to exfoliate your skin twice weekly. You can also use chemical exfoliant to exfoliate your skin, those tough parts of the body. Of course, we all know what exfoliating would do to the skin. It helps lift the dirty layer of the skin, helping or prepping our skin for other skincare products or whatever lotion it is you've chosen to work effectively. So you need to focus on exfoliating your skin. I know some people do not know how to exfoliate. You can exfoliate your skin by after washing off your body with your sponge and soap. That's when you need to exfoliate your skin. Some people exfoliate before washing the body with sponge and soap. It is absolutely wrong. Any day you know you want to exfoliate your skin, give it, like, be very very relaxed when you intend to do this or when you exfoliate your skin, because after exfoliation you want to leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes for it to sink perfectly before rinsing off, unless you're using a body scrub that is really harsh. Okay, then do this twice a week for like 2 weeks before you start doing it once a week, or before you start exfoliating once a week, for those who have like super sensitive skin or very soft skin, in order for you not to strip your skin, because you don't want to overdo things. I always tell you guys, when it comes to skincare, less is always more. Okay, after that, follow up with a body serum. Like, you want to use your body serum and your lotion side by side in order for it to work effectively, because you don't want to mix it and keep, because most times it will just change the color and also tamper with the potency of the lotion. So you want to use your body lotion and your serum side by side. That way your serum would last longer, and sometimes your lotion might even finish faster than the serum. Now, another thing I love about this lotion is the fact that it comes in a 500 ml bottle, which is enough to last you for about a month or two, depending on how well you use it, because a little amount of this lotion goes a long way. And of course, we all generally know that this lotion has a very very nice fragrance. Like, the lotion can travel from here to, in fact, to your village, because like the aroma of this lotion, the fragrance of this lotion is mind-blowing. Is really 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 nice. Okay, so like I said, use your body lotion and your body serum side by side, then follow up with a body oil to like finish up. Like, it will just soften your skin. It's not even just about lightening, it will soften your skin, brighten your skin, and nourish your skin. It will give you this, it will give your skin this finished hydration. Like, after, like, I don't even know how to put it, I don't want to chew my mouth, but that's what it will do. Okay, if you do this continuously for 1-2 months, you guys, you're definitely going to get a very very nice result. Like, now, this lotion does not work like your other kind of lotion. It does not work in 7 days, it does not work in 14 days, it does not work in 3 weeks. In 1 month, people will start complimenting your skin too. If you do this for 1 month and people do not compliment your skin, know that I'm capping rubbish. Okay, I hope you guys can actually wrap your way around it on how to use this particular lotion to achieve 1 to 2 3 shades. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and hopefully I see you guys in my next one very very soon. Bye.